Hey guys, so I'm getting a little bit of a late start to the whole vlogging thing, but today Oliver and I are going to go to Pasadena. We're going to hit up Phil's, and then we're going to wander around a bit and see what we find. Guys, so today I got the mint mojito iced coffee, trying something new, didn't get my tantalizing Turkish. It's not bad. We're leaving Phil's. I tried a new drink. I tried the mint mojito iced coffee. It was good. I enjoyed it. I think that Turkish, oh my gosh, I almost said Turkish Delight. Tantalizing Turkish is still my favorite, but good alternative for hot days. Now, what are we doing now?
We saw some apartments online and we're gonna go drive by them.
Yep. Alright guys, so you can't see my face because of this hat. Hi. We're walking around, so I put my hat on because I burn very easily. Yeah, so really we're just walking around Pasadena looking for a place to live. Hey guys, so Oliver and I walked around a whole bunch and found some places that we think are cute on the outside, so we're gonna try and make some appointments to go actually look at stuff, which is really exciting because we've been talking about moving in together for a while. Yeah, so now we're headed to Ikea, maybe get some Ikea food, so that's what we're doing.
If I can get my little stir thing.
What Oliver made. So this is why we went to Ikea. Hey guys, so we just finished setting up. Oliver built a table or a desk that he got at Ikea. Set up all the filming stuff because I'm gonna be doing some videos this week. And yeah, I think it looks good. I think it works. Hey guys, so we are headed out. We're going to, I already forgot everything he told me.
Alright guys, we're going to the El Rey Theater in Los Angeles, California to a Nujabes tribute to see our friend Zach, who DJs under the name Nitsua. Check it out.
I like my mom, bro. Let my drink toast and back, let my mom blow. Give it up for Nitsua again.
Hey guys, so the show is not over, but we are going home because it's late.
Because responsibilities, it's Sunday night.
And tomorrow's a work day. So the show was really great. Our Zach had a great set. Our friend Zach.
Our Zach.
He's ours. No.
Getting so big now.
But yeah, it was a good night. A great day. Thanks for coming along, and we will see you next weekend. Bye.